Wonder Reef off the Spit is getting closer, with the new dive-side sculptures set to be installed this week. Once open, it's expected to attract hundreds of thousands of tourists and create a new home for our marine life.
2.5 kilometres offshore, a very big floating crane is set to install a very big attraction, the Wonder Reef.
It'll be the Wonderland underwater.
The $5 million purpose-built buoyant reef is a world first. Bad weather halted works today, but by the end of the week, 9 special sculptures will be winched down to the ocean floor.
You never really know where you're going to go as an artist, but going underwater is something I hadn't anticipated, so it's really exciting to see my sculptures, my ideas translate into something like this.
The artificial reef structures are being installed 30 metres below the water here, and once established will create 32,000 cubic metres of new marine habitat.
This one is specifically designed to attract marine life.
It's also expected to attract around 160,000 divers over the next decade and inject $32 million into the coast's economy. The structures will be monitored and tested for 8 months before the dive site officially opens early next year.
You can go down to 10 metres, and if you're a seasoned diver, you can go all the way down to 30 metres, and all those critters will be there greeting you.
The Mayor says it's the first step to creating an underwater theme park. Josh Ribrich, 7 Gold Coast News.